In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your Gmail account connected so you can send emails directly from your GoHighLevel workspace. First, open your browser and head to the official GoHighLevel website, then sign into your account to reach your dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser and need the link, you can find the official website at the top of the description. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and using an up-to-date browser so pop-ups and authentication flows work smoothly. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is your control center for account level configuration, so any email changes you make here will apply to your current account context. Inside Settings, select Email Services. This area is where you add, manage, and troubleshoot the email providers connected to GoHighLevel. It's also useful later if you need to review your connection status. Next, click Add Service or Connect Email depending on the label you see. Both options open the same connection workflow. When the list of providers appears, choose Gmail. Selecting Gmail tells GoHighLevel to use Google's secure login process for authorization. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Authenticate with your Google credentials for the Gmail account you want to use. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow it for the site. Be sure you're signing in to the correct Google account you intend to send emails from. You'll then be asked to grant permissions. Click Allow to let GoHighLevel access your Gmail account. These permissions enable GoHighLevel to send emails on your behalf and sync necessary data for reliable delivery. After allowing access, wait a moment while the connection completes. You should see a confirmation or be returned to GoHighLevel once it's successful. If it seems to hang, a quick refresh usually updates the status. To verify everything worked, go back to Email Services and confirm your Gmail account now appears in the list. You should see it marked as connected or active, indicating it's ready to use. With Gmail linked, you can start sending emails through GoHighLevel. Compose messages from your campaigns, automations, or conversations as you normally would. As a quick tip, consider sending a brief test email to yourself to confirm delivery and formatting. Keep an eye on deliverability best practices and sending limits to maintain a healthy sender reputation. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.